In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving limits using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, guys, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve any problem involving limits of a function tending to a real number using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video, guys. You are going to learn a lot. Alright, so having done that, let's quickly look at the questions we have here. We are going to practice with and get started. So the question 1 here says evaluate this. Here the limit is tending to 0. Alright. Question 2, evaluate this. Here the limit x is tending to 16. And the last question, evaluate the limit x is tending to pi over 4 here. Okay, so let's get the TI-84 plus calculator now and get started. This is very interesting and easy, guys. I'm going to show you. So this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now the very thing you have to do is to reset the calculator. I often say this, guys. If you have watched my previous videos, you will notice that I say this often. Okay, so the essence of resetting is to put the calculator in default mode to remove whatever previous value you might have stored on it. So to quickly reset it, all you have to do is to press this second button, then press this plus button. We want to reset, press 7. Okay, then we want to reset all RAM, press 1, then press 2 to reset all RAM. Alright, so it's done. RAM cleared. Press this clear button. Okay, so we are good to go, guys. Now the next thing you have to do will be to ensure that the calculator is in radian. Alright, now there are two things here. If the limit is tending to a real number without a trig function involved, alright, you can solve it in degree mode and you'll be at the safe side. You will get the right answer or right value. But if it is tending to a value like pi that involves trig values, just like in this question 3, this one x is tending to pi over 4 and we're having trig identities involved in the question. So if you solve it under degree, the results you will get will be wrong. You're going to have the wrong output. Alright, so this is exceptional to questions involving trig identities. Alright, so in otherwise, if you have questions that don't involve trig identities and your calculator is in degree, you are good to go. But once it is involving trig identities, you have to ensure that it's in radian mode. But overall, putting your calculator in radian mode, whether the question is having trig identities or not, we always give you the right answer. So guys, to be at the safe side, because you might not remember this, always ensure that the calculator is in radian mode so that you will always get the right answer, whether the question is involving trig identities or not. Okay, so hope you have taken notes of that. Very important. So let's get the calculator now. So let's put it in radian mode. By default, this calculator used to be in radian mode, but if yours happen to be in degree, let's say here is showing degree, not radian, all you have to do is to press this mode button. Okay, then go down with this navigation button. Under this place within radian, if I go to the right side, this right navigation button, I will say degree. Alright, so if yours is showing degree on top of here, just press this left navigation button to radian. Once you do it, you press enter. Okay, and it will change to radian. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. Alright, so having done this, let's begin to solve this question now. Question 1 says evaluate the limit x tending to 0. Now guys, pay attention here. Whenever you want to solve limit of a function tending to a real number, there's a constant you will always add to that real number is tending to, and that constant is 0.001. Guys, the constant is what? 0.001. So write it down now. 0.001. This is the constant you are going to be adding to the real number the limit is tending to. All right, very, very important. Right now, this question one, the limit x is tending to 0. We're going to add 0.001 to this 0. So basically, it will be 0 plus 0.001. All right. So once you do it, you press enter. No, don't press enter yet. We want to store this value as x. Okay. So to store it, you press this store button. Okay. Then want to store it as x, press this button for x, then press enter. Okay. So once you do it, it will indicate that this value has been stored as x on this calculator. So guys, it's still 0.001. All right. This thing is either 1 times 10 to the power -3 or 1 over 1000. So it's something as 1 times 10 to the power -3. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's clear this. So right now, let's evaluate this question. Having stored x as the value of 0.001 plus 0. Okay, so is in fraction. Click on the fraction button, press alpha and this trace button. So fraction is here. I press this y equals button. So the fraction we are looking for is option 1. Okay, so we have square root of x plus 2. To bring out the square root sign, press second and this button, it will come out. So we have x plus 2. Okay, so once you do it, you go forward by putting a negative sign. Just give space, press this button, then put minus. Okay, so we have minus square root of 2 second and this button. Okay, square root of 2 over, we have x. So that's it, guys. Let's press enter now and see what we're going to have as our output. So we have 0.35. So right now we are going to check the options. Anyone that give us 0.35 be the answer. Basically, it has to be option D. Okay, because it can't be A, it can't be B. So let's check option D, which is square root of 2 over 4. All right, let's clear this. So we are looking for the one that gives us 0.35. So go back to the trace after this fraction. Okay, press 1. So we have square root of second, this button of 2, all right, over 4. So let's press enter. You see 0.35. So the correct option is option D. It's as simple as this, guys. So we're making progress. Let's clear this and solve question 2. Okay, so you say evaluate this number 1, x is tending to 16. All right, guys, so that means we're going to store a new number. Okay, so to be at the safe side, I recommend you reset the calculator since you want to store a new number. All right, so the previous one is stored, will not interfere with this new one you want to store. So to clear, basically you just press second, this plus button, then press 7. Want to clear all 1, press 1, press 2, and it will do the job. All right, so it's done. So right now let's store 16 plus 0.001 on this calculator. So it's going to be 16 plus 0.001. So to store it, we press this STO button. We want to store it as x, press this, then press enter. Okay, so the value has been stored. Let's clear this. Let's impute the function, the values we have here. So we have bring out the fraction button, alpha, trace button. Okay, press this, then press 1. Okay, So we have x square, look at this, minus 2, 5, 6, okay, over, we have x minus 4 square. Alright, so that's it guys, we are good to go. Let's press enter now. So we have 32 is the answer, which is what option D. Alright, so guys, this is very interesting. It's as simple as this. Alright, hope you're enjoying the video. Now, before we solve question 3, guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Let me how you feel for what you're learning from this video. I really appreciate that, guys, and it helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people out there. Alright, so having done that, guys, let's go ahead and solve the last question, which is question 3. Say evaluate limit. This time around x is tending to pi over 4, and we have 3 identities here. Okay, very simple. Let me show you. Let's clear this. And remember, we have to clear the calculator. Alright, since we're going to stay in a number, just press second, this plus button, then press 7 to reset, press 1 to reset all 1, then press 2. Okay, so it's done. So we're going to store pi over 4 plus 0.001. Now, so it's in fraction alpha, this trace button, then this 1. Okay, so we have pi. To bring out pi, you press second and this button. Okay, we have pi over 4. Alright, then we have plus 0.001. So we want to store it as x. You press the store button, then press x, then press enter. Okay, so the value has been stored as x on this calculator. So we are good to go, guys. Let's clear this. So right now, let's solve this question. Is in fraction alpha, this trace button. Okay, fraction this, then press 1. Alright, so we have 1, okay, plus sine 2x, okay, close the brackets, over, we have 1 minus, okay, cos 4x. So that's it, close the bracket, we're good to go. Right now, let's press enter button to get our result of value. The answer is what? 1. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys, which is what? Option A. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving limit of a function tending to a real number using the TI-84 scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice calculus questions involving limits. Alright, hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a class here, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've explained or taught in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright guys, don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. All you have to do is to press this second button, press this plus button, press 7 for reset. Once reset all 1, press 1, then press 2, and it will reset all 1. Okay, done. So that's it for this class, guys. Click on the end screen above now, and I will see you in my next video.